Welcome to Monthly Math Moment, the web series where we take a quick peek into the modern elementary math classroom. I'm your host, Amanda McIntire. One of the phrases I hear in my job as a math coach most often is, "This isn't how I learned math." Elementary math concepts haven't changed, but the way that we teach and model them certainly has. In this series, we're going to take a quick peek into some of the high leverage models that we use in your child's math class. Models are a way for teachers and students to make their thinking visible. They don't replace the mental math that we're used to doing, but rather make it easier for us to communicate about what's going on and mathematical relationships. This is a powerful tool for conceptualizing mathematics. So let's take a look at one of the earliest ones we introduce, called the number bond. Number bonds are introduced as early as kindergarten. We start by using objects in order to illustrate the relationship between parts and totals. This is a relationship that grows with students all the way through their mathematical experience. Once they've built these with actual objects, we move to drawings, and eventually by the end of kindergarten, we show the relationship of parts and totals in numbers. In first and second grade, we build on this idea by taking big numbers and breaking them apart into their place value so that we can add and subtract them more easily. We also use number bonds to help illustrate how a student can make a close but friendly number, like taking a 1 from the 34 to give to the 59 and making it 60. Now all of a sudden we can do difficult addition and subtraction problems in our head by knowing parts and totals. In third grade, this important relationship is shown in multiplication through the distributive property. Students practice taking difficult multiplication problems and breaking them up into smaller multiplication problems that they can do and put together. The distributive property is an important property to understand later in algebra, and it starts right here in third grade using number bonds. In fourth and fifth grade, we're still looking at parts and totals, but now all of a sudden we have fractions and decimals to deal with. And so we relate back to the things they were doing with addition and subtraction in second grade by using a number bond to break apart one number and make an easier number to deal with. Parts and total relationships are seen throughout mathematics, from the earliest days of kindergarten all the way up through calculus. Number bonds are a way to illustrate that relationship so that both students and teachers can visually see what they're talking about. Next time, we'll be thinking about another high leverage model that you may see on your child's homework or workbook when it comes home, called a tape diagram. Until then, thank you for tuning in to this month's Math Moment.